Hi there. Would you like to see how the present simple passive voice is used in practice? Great. This is how you do it. 1. Watch this video, and before each part, 1 to 2, check if you know all of the words and phrases from the list. 2. If you don't, you can use our Quizlet course to learn them. It is available in 6 languages and it's for free. 3. If you know all of the words and phrases, just listen to the stories. This way, you will practice the present simple passive voice, vocabulary, and listening skills. These stories come from this book, so if you like books or need the vocabulary lists and stories in a paper form, you can get the book on Amazon. Link in the description. Are you ready? Let's start. Part 1. Present simple passive voice, 1. Story 1.
Lulu's Cafe. Lulu's Cafe is a small coffee shop and bakery in Denver. It is included in many guidebooks and described as one of the best coffee shops in Colorado. It is named after a very special woman. Her name is Linda, but she is known as Lulu. She opened the cafe in 1975, and she still works there. She always smiles and introduces herself to everyone. She loves talking to people and making coffee for them. Lulu's Cafe is open every day from 7 a.m. Lulu's son Jacob bakes fresh muffins and croissants every morning. Everything is baked with love and care. At about 8 a.m., Lulu joins her son to help him. The coffee shop is visited by more than 100 tourists every day, so Lulu and Jacob are always busy.
Story 2.
The classic French dish. Beef bourguignon is one of the most famous French dishes. It is eaten all over the world, and it's often prepared for special occasions. It is found on the menus of many restaurants too, and it is ordered very often. The dish is named after the popular red wine from the Burgundy region in the east of France. Of course, the Burgundy wine is used to make beef bourguignon. The dish is made with meat from a cow, beef, carrots, onions, garlic, and mushrooms. The beef, vegetables, and mushrooms are cooked in the famous red wine for a few hours. Sometimes, bacon is added to make the dish even more delicious. Beef bourguignon is usually eaten with mashed potatoes and a salad. Would you like to try it?
Story 3.
Dancing on TV. Strictly Come Dancing is an extremely popular television show. It is watched by millions of people in the United Kingdom every week. In the show, a group of singers, actors, and TV presenters learn how to dance. They have to learn a new dance every week and then dance it for the viewers. After they finish their dances, they get comments and points from experts. The show is filmed in a large studio in London and shown live on TV every Saturday from September to December. The winner is chosen after 12 weeks of dancing. In the United States, the show is known as Dancing with the Stars. There are more than 75 versions of the show around the world. It is loved in Europe, America, Asia, and Australia.
The end of Part 1. Part 2. Present simple passive voice, 2. Story 4.
Thanksgiving at Natalie's. Thanksgiving is celebrated by millions of people in the United States and Canada every fall. In Canada, it is celebrated on the second Monday of October. In the U.S., Families meet for Thanksgiving dinner on the fourth Thursday of November. At Natalie's house in New Orleans, the holiday is always a big event. The house is decorated with pumpkins and colorful leaves every year. The traditional dinner is usually prepared by Natalie's husband because he is the best cook in the family. He bakes a turkey with vegetables and pieces of bread inside. When the last piece of the turkey is gone, dessert is served. It is a pumpkin pie with whipped cream. It is baked by Natalie's oldest daughter, Gina. Everyone waits for it and asks about it. It is delicious.
Story 5.
Good Morning America. Good Morning America, GMA, is a popular morning news program. It is watched in many American homes every day. It offers news stories and interviews with famous people. It is filled with all the latest news, and important events are always discussed with experts. The experts are chosen by the producers of the program. GMA is filmed in a large studio in New York City. About 100 New Yorkers are invited there every morning to watch it live from the studio. It's definitely exciting for people to be so close to their favorite celebrities and presenters. The show is known for surprising viewers with performances from popular musicians. Isn't it a great way to start the day?
Story 6.
The most special hotel in Sweden. Ice Hotel is one of the most original hotels in the world. As you can probably guess from its name, it is made of ice. Because of that, it is built again and again every year. Each room is special because it is designed by a different artist. The hotel is a very popular tourist attraction in Sweden. It is visited by thousands of people from December to April. Inside, there are over 100 rooms, a restaurant, and even a small church. Most visitors don't stay there for more than 1 or 2 days because of the extremely low temperature inside, but many of them come back more than once. Would you like to stay in the hotel?
The end of part 2. Great job completing all of the stories. Well done. You've practiced the present simple passive voice, vocabulary, and listening skills. Remember to review the words and phrases you've learned. Try to review the vocabulary every day. Even 5 minutes per day will make you better. And continue learning with our stories. Here are some that you might like. Happy learning!